Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, we're going to be doing this very simple blend right here using the Frozen 2 Colourpop palette. So if you want to see how I did this, then please keep watching. To start off this look, as always, I'm going to be taking my Pretty Fresh Concealer by Colourpop in the shade Light 33C, and I'm going to use this as my primer for my lid. Next, I'll be taking the shade called Water from the Elsa Frozen 2 palette by Colourpop, and I'm going to apply this directly on the outer corner and in my crease. Now this shade is a bit sheer, so I'm going to have to take a few more layers and really build up that color. And this brush, I believe, is by Glitter Realm Co. It comes in a bundle, which I will link down below. Next, I will be picking up the shade called Spindrift on this brush by GLF Cosmetics, which also comes in a bundle set, and I will link that down below for you guys. I'm going to start deepening up this crease area. I'm going to apply it first on the outer corner and then gradually drag it inward. And when blending, I always use small circular motions and I drag it back and forth with a very light hand. Here I'm just going to take a little bit more of that first shade we used called Winter, just to blend this purple out a little bit. Next, with a clean blending brush, I'm just going to go over this one more time to make everything nice and smooth. Now on a flat brush, I'll be picking up that shade called Northern Lights, and I'm going to apply this on the first half of my lid. Now you may want to wet your brush, or you can apply this with your finger to get a better color payoff. Next, I'll be picking some of that shade called Awkward on a flat brush as well, and I'm going to apply this on the second half of my lid. And here I'm just going to slightly blend this all together. Now for the lower lash, I'm going to be using a little bit of that shade Spindrift. And then I will blend that out with this shade called Winter. And to highlight, I'll be using the white shimmer in there called Cuddle Close. Next, I'll be adding some of this Dark Sea Glitter by Colourpop just to give it a hint of shine. For mascara today, I'll be using the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara. For lashes, I'll be using the ones by Colourpop called Sis. So this includes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple blend. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you'd like to see next. As always, have a blessed week and we'll see you next time.